What is a design? Design is something which is part of the natural systems, say the branches of a tree. They are designed so naturally for each plant that integrates with the plant purpose. The plant purpose is to exist and to live for a certain number of days or years, then give the ecological services, and also to be able to accommodate into a given environmental and climatological conditions, or accommodate to the existing soil, water and other resources, including the fertility of the soil. So all these factors define the design of a particular plant species, and the community existence of plants related to one another, say the canopies, utilization of the existing space, mutual cooperation, coexistence, sometimes the challenges of the competitions. So all these things will define the design of a plant. So in the evolution, in a given time and space, the designs are defined, and they also get redefined with the changing conditions. So in our life, when we see so many patterns, designs, things, textures, forms, colors, so when we want to adopt in our life certain designs, then we try to have our own way of judging what is a better design. The culture, the art, the traditions, and what one is exposed to since childhood, all these things also become part of our choices. So if a person is happy with a particular pattern or design, there is so much background behind that person. So that understanding, that perception is individual. But when it comes to acceptance in the society at large, then agreeing with others or being an average with others, or having a common understanding which majority of them like, I think this is also required, because in a given society and a time period and a situation, and according to each person's knowledge, skills, education, sometimes they might slightly vary, but still to exist in a society, given society, each person should also understand the perception of many other people. So this way a person need to be more adaptive to accepting the given conditions. for the choice of a design.